price of gold is anticipated to record a weekly increase, regaining ground from the substantial decline witnessed the week prior after its all-time high of $2,144. The present trajectory of gold is impact-driven by a transient cessation in the depreciation of the US dollar, accompanied by a moderate resurgence in US Treasury bond yields. Simultaneously, the US dollar experiences stability as Asian equities reverse initial gains in anticipation of the release of preliminary PMI data from the Eurozone and the United States. These forthcoming reports are anticipated to offer fresh insights into the present condition of the worldwide economy. The gold USD recovered above the 2040.00 to 2050 area but failed to hold the momentum above it. Moreover, the weekly candle closed as an inside bar within the long bearish candle in the previous week. In the daily chart, the 14-day Relative Strength Index, RSI, suggests a corrective pressure as the recent reading is just above the 50 neutral line. Moreover, the dynamic 20-day EMA is below the current price, acting as an immediate support level. Based on the current weekly forecast for gold USD, a sustainable bearish pressure might come after overcoming the 2000 threshold. In that case, the next support level would be the 1980.00 level. On the bullish side, a stable price above the 2040 level could offer an extended opportunity, where the main aim would be to test the 2100 psychological level.